Hi, hello, and welcome to Srika TV.
Myself Nani.
Myself Pani.
We are Srika TV brothers.
There was an interesting match, brother. It was between the arch rivals SRH versus RCB, which was won by RCB, my favorite team.
Yes, our home team lost the match.
But it was grateful to watch Virat Kohli bat, but he failed to succeed. But he will perform better in ongoing IPL. We see.
It was great to watch so many youngsters in both the team. It was the show of David Padekar who scored a magnificent 50 in his first debut match in the IPL. Philippi, Abhishek Sharma and Priyam Garg. It was great watching these youngsters in a great and mega format like IPL.
And it was grateful to watch UCHL bowling 3 wickets with 18 runs in his hand.
Yes, he was so economic in this match and he took two crucial wickets. First was Manish Pandey, then caught hold of Johnny Bairstow and ducked Vijay Shankar.
And it was a show of Devdutt Padikkal and AB de Villiers. Both scored an magnificent half centuries.
Johnny Bairstow also scored an half century, which was crucial for SRH. But David Warner was also being failed in this match. Both the captains were failed, but David Warner has been run out, funny run out. SRH team was waiting for his comeback, but it was been a bad day for SRH whole team.
And it was good to watch youngsters like Priyangar, Devdutt Padikkal, Abhishek Sharma and Joy Philippi.
Yes.
Batting.
This match had many bad throws for SRH team. Has Mitchell Marsh got injured and been unable to bat or ball from the starting of the match. And Priyam Garg, who was the under 19 World Cup captain and was been how he was trying to scope the ball, but it dashed the helmet and hit the stumps. It was also the re-entry of ABD, the Mr. 360. Seeing him bat was so magnificent and heart falling.
And it was good to see the youngster Navdeep Saini, Shivan Dubey taking both 2 wickets each.
Yes, Navdeep Saini's pace grow day by day. He is pitching the ball at an average of 140 and above.
And that was a great win by RCB, winning it by 10 runs.
It was a bad day for SRH.
And let us discuss the scores of each player.
Yes, Devdutt Padekar was scored a total of 56 runs with 8 boundaries. AB de Villiers was RCB's second highest scorer with 51 runs in 30 balls. He was so fearful with his bat. Aaron Finch was also at 28 for 27 balls. And about the first innings bowling, Vijay Shankar took 1 wicket for 14 balls in 1.2 overs. Also, Abhishek Sharma took 1 wicket for 19 runs in 2 overs. Seeing this youngster bowling was so fun. And Natarajan, who was given a high score but took only a 1 wicket.
But he took the wicket of the deadly batsman Virat Kohli.
Yes. He took the wicket of King Kohli. Slower delivery, which Virat Kohli wanted to strike but got into hands.
And I want to tell the Sunrise scores also. Johnny Bairstow with 61 runs in 43 balls. He was in a great strike last day.
Yes.
And Manish Pandey scoring second, 34 runs with 33 balls in his hand. And Priyam Garg 12 runs, 13 balls. And it was our spinner Yuji Chahal with 3 wickets, 18 runs, and Shivan Dubey 2 wickets, 15 runs, and Navdeep Saini 2 wickets, 25 runs.
Yes, and man of the match award was given to Yuji Chahal for his wicket-taking bowling and an economic over.
He was the game changer of the match overall.
Overall, it is, and it was so many runouts in this match. I have never seen a match with these many runouts as AB de Villiers was been run out, David Warner was been run out. There are also some silly fielding mistakes by these players.
You have seen the fielding of some youngsters like Josephy Philippi.
Yes, he was also made many mistakes beyond the stumps. He was a youngster and under 19 World Cup player from Australia. He made many silly mistakes behind the stumps. He must be trained and practice much for the upcoming matches, and it must be crucial for RCB's play.
And let's hope RCB wins the title.
Let's see.
Wait and watch. For more updates, please see Srika TV.
Also do subscribe, like, share and comment to Streaker TV. Thanks for watching.